Problem number 2, it says find the x-intercepts and the y-intercepts of this given equation. Well, let's think about it. When I'm dealing with, this is 3x minus 9. This is actually just a straight line, isn't it? So it's going to hit me only in one location for the y and one location for the x. But anyway, let's think about it. If I'm talking the x-intercept, that's where's it cross this x-axis. So let's pretend it's right here. Well, we know that's the ordered pair over something. We don't know how far over we've gone, but we do know that we've moved up to a height of nothing. So I do know the y value in this equation is going to be 0. In this case, f of x is what y is. So I know the equation is going to be 0 is equal to 3x minus 9. So if I just solve this for x, I'll find that x value and I'll know where it's crossing the x-axis. Well, when you add 9, divide by 3. So we add 9, 3x is equal to 9. Divide by 3, we can see x is going to be a positive 3. This crosses at 3, 0. So the x-intercept is at 3, 0. If I deal with the y-intercept, well, again, let's draw this out. The y-intercept is, hey, where's this guy crossing? It's crossing, let's say, somewhere here. We actually could just look at this and know, but we're not going to worry about that. So let's say that we're seeing where it crosses the y-axis. Well, you've gone over how much? None. And how high up or down below have you gone? Well, that's what we're trying to figure out, the y value. We know the x value is 0. So if we come to this equation, which is y equals 3x minus 9, and we plug in a 0 for that x, so 3 times a 0 for the x, that's 0 minus 9, we get y is negative 9. So we know this y-intercept is 0, negative 9. The reason I said you could see that to begin with is if you just know this, the slope is 3, the y-intercept's negative 9, you were able to see it right away. But again, don't worry about that. I want you just to concentrate on thinking about the x-axis, y-axis, and thinking, hey, I'm on the y-axis somewhere, so I've moved over none, and I don't know my height, so that you know the x value is a 0 when we're dealing with the y-axis. And if I'm trying to find the x-intercept, I know that this is some point I've gone over something and up none, so you always know the y has to be 0. There's problem number 2.